In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Amazon Fire TV remote flashing orange or yellow. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, begin by flipping your remote over and removing just one battery for just a few seconds. I found that doing this makes it so much easier to enter troubleshooting mode for whatever reason. But to actually enter troubleshooting mode, go ahead and press and hold on the right button and the back button, the rewind button, essentially all together for about 3 seconds. So the right button and the rewind button, 3 seconds. After that, go ahead and press the menu button and this will put the remote into troubleshooting mode, and you should see the LED light turn green up at the very top. From here, press any button on the remote. If it makes a blue flashing, that means the remote itself is working properly. If it does orange or yellow, that means the remote is not paired to your TV. If your remote is orange or yellow, unplug your Fire TV from power, or press the power button on the TV itself near the Fire TV logo and wait about 15 seconds and then turn the TV back on. Once the screen appears saying that the remote can't be detected, grab your remote and press and hold down on the home button for about 15 seconds. If it doesn't connect right away, try spam pressing the home button a few times until it pairs, and as you can see, mine just paired right here. But after doing this, your Fire TV remote should reconnect and stop flashing orange or yellow. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.